Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. If you watched my update video, I introduced this tool cart, this rolling cabinet rather, in the update video, and I just got finished filming that, of course, so I thought I'd go ahead and shoot the video of trying to get this cabinet together. I don't know what's going to be involved in it. It's pretty heavy. It's all stainless with a stainless top, and I'm going to use this for paint storage from automotive paint, filters, and hopefully get everything in it, get everything in one spot. So everything I'm going to do is try to get it out of the box. I think I found the instructions way down here on the bottom. And there they are. Assembly instructions. I wonder why that's packaged on the box. Alright, parts list. Dang, I even got the drawer together. I'm going to just assume all the parts is here, but I won't know till I start putting this stuff together. Now I got to figure out which one's which. I open the package of the stainless steel top. That's probably this one right here. So I believe this come in either wood or stainless. And I ordered the stainless. So I need to get this box. I'm going to start with it. I'm going to try not to make this a terribly long video, so I may skip over some steps. I may speed up some steps. And damn if I didn't still get me on my knife. So here's the top. Good solid stainless steel clad top here. Get that out of the way. See around the top we got a bunch of holes for screws. So it's basically a particle board with a stainless steel wrapping around it. Can't see no dents, so that's a good sign. Looks like it's in real good shape. And it's got a little sticker here that says this is the front, this is the left. Alright, so this will be the front. Step 1, open the package and place all parts to the side. Then open the package with the stainless steel top. Note the stainless steel top is packed within an inner cardboard box. It's not with a unit on top of this cardboard box to minimize damage to the stainless steel surface. So I'm going to build it on this styrofoam right here. Step 2, install side frame, which is number 6, and attached to the front of the stainless steel top using 2 pieces, screw A and screwdriver number 21 to tighten. So they give you some screws and a screwdriver. Here is the part they want to use. This one right here. Alright, so there ain't a whole lot of room for screwdrivers in there. Alright, so we'll get our parts. Here's our screwdriver. I'll even try their screwdriver out to see if it's any good. And here's our screws. And they even got a little old bent wrench on it. I guess it's supposed to be bent. Looks like it's a factory bend in that thing. Let's have to bend it. Here's some more screws. These are slightly smaller, number 15. And these are number 14. I think these are the ones we want. Yep. Number 14. So at least they did number them. That's good. I hate when they just throw screws all together in a pack and expect you to know what size is what. We need 2 of these number 14s. And we're going to insert them from the inside through these 2 holes into these 2 places here. Now there ain't a whole lot of adjustment left in these, so I'm just going to go ahead and tighten them down. Alright, so there's step 2. Step 3, install the left panel, number 4. Attach the left panel to the front frame and the stainless steel top. Make sure the top of the left panel is on the stainless steel top and the screw holes are lined up to the front frame. And we need 6 of the number 14 screws to tighten the left panel to the front frame and then to the stainless steel top. I will say these instructions are pretty detailed and I like that. Now to find the left frame, which is number 6. There's the left side panel, number 4. That says number 6. Hold on, it says number 4. I'm sorry. Alright, so let me show you what we're dealing with here. So hopefully y'all can see this right here. It's actually got a label. It tells you which way's front, which way's the top. Left side panel number 4. Very helpful. Amazingly helpful. If we just get it together without bending everything. This side panels they are pretty stout. Alright, so this is to the front, this is to the top. Like that. So what's going to be hard is getting the screws lined up. Clean that styrofoam. About to drop all my screws. Alright, so here's where we run into our first issue. This thing's got about a 1/2 or 3/4 inch indentation, and big people got fat fingers can't really get their hands in there. And this screwdriver is non-magnetic. It would really be beneficial to have a magnetic tip screwdriver. So I'm gonna go get one. So here is my magnetic tip screwdriver. As you can see, the screw does not fall off the tip. You really need one of these to put this thing together. And this slide is kind of going to be in their way. You know what? I'm going to have to loosen this front panel up because I ain't going to be able to slide this into place. I don't think. Alright, we got our left panel screwed in, 6 screws. Now step 4 is install the right panel, number 5, to the front frame. We'll do the same thing with it we did the left side. Probably should leave these sides a little bit loose, but if I have to go back and loosen them up, I will. Alright, so that's pretty much got that one. Step 6 is to install the upper back panel, which is number 2. Alright, so that was step 5. Step 6 is install the bottom back panel, which goes here to here. This is number 3. Alright, and step 7 is to install the bottom panel. Attach the bottom panel to the left panel, right panel, front frame, bottom back panel. And we're going to use 9 screws to tighten it up. The next step is to install the wheels on the back. We got some that's got a brake, they're going to go in the front. The ones without the brake will go in the back. It comes with a little bent wrench to put on here to turn them in. It's a 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch. I'm just going to use a big wrench. You can't get nothing in there, but with this thing being a swivel, you should be able to just go round and round with it. Alright guys, I got the wheels on. Now we got us a cabinet base box built. So our drawer is complete. Didn't take too long, wouldn't be bad. So first thing you do is pull out the slides. And we got some little square hickeys here. Should fit these square notches in the drawer. You got to take them things off of it too. Yes. Yes, you have to take these off too. These got to come off. If I'd read the instructions fully, I would have known that. And we're going to put some screws into the holes. And square or something. A little flimsy on that. I don't know what the deal is with that. Alright, next I want to put the drawer mat in the drawer. Just This is a little bit flimsy material here. Okay. All right. Install magnet onto the top and bottom of the front frame facing the front using 4 pieces of screw 14 tight. Okay. Install the middle shelf. We've got to decide the height of the middle shelf. Place 4 pieces of number 34 hook into the hook slot where each corner of the shelf should be placed. Make sure hook support in each shelf are the same height. So the middle shelf needs a hook at each corner to support it. And then we'll place the middle shelf into the cabinet and push it down into the hooks. Alright, so here are the hooks. So, alright, so here is the deal. How high do we want this cabinet? Well, let's see how high we got in here, because I want to be able to get a gallon-sized can in that cabinet somehow or another. So we got a lot of room in here. We've got almost 21 inches of room. Now the tallest can I've got is that the clear coat, and it needs 14 inches of room. So I think I'm going to move the shelf down and where I have at least 14 inches under the shelf. The gallons, they only need 8 inches, 8 or 9 inches, so no biggie there. But I want the clear coat in here too. So we need at least 14 inches of room. So that's going to put us about where this line is in here between the halves. So I'm thinking we'll go one above that. Here's the shelf, and it don't really say. I guess it can go in either front or back, doesn't matter. Make sure it's hooked. So there's me a little shelf under there. No problem. And now all locks the doors. Probably have to adjust this one because I ain't adjusted it yet. That's pretty good. Alright guys, well I got all my paint off this shelf here, and it's in here. I was able to put all my mixing cups in here in 3 stacks. Got my 2 gallons of paint and the body filler, clear coat, activator and primer. Up here I've got a paint suit and a bunch of stir sticks. And I'm thinking about putting them stir sticks in here, but I've got this thing pretty well filled up too. I got my my spray gun parts, some filters. I'm getting really low on filters. Some mask filters from my respirator. And I bought these. These are just to put these on the respirator. And then of course got some new organic vapor cartridges. And also for Christmas I got my mom gave me $100 Amazon card, so I went and bought me a brand new full face piece respirator, full face mask. And I'm going to be using it a good bit on this when I get to working on the bed of this truck. So right now it's just in here. So anyway guys, appreciate you watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you like.